A little low. Little Boondock Baits, little finesse jig here. Killer little color. First cast with the old jig. First cast with the Boondocks. First cast, baby. Oh, came out right into the net. Freaking spot lock messed me up. We got it. I caught it. Caught it right out of the air. That spot lock pulled the boat. Oh my gosh, that was funny. Yeah. First cast of the old Boondock Baits finesse jig. It's awesome. Yeah. Get like a pro version, like a work truck version for 40, but it has a lot of stuff still, you know? I got hit in 1 foot of water, bro. That's so funny, I felt it too, and I didn't have the camera. That's a decent fish. On the jig, the Boondock Baits. Let's go. That's a nice one. Little fat guy. That's funny, I've been throwing it a little bit deeper. The second I threw it up shallow, dude, boom. Come on, guy. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, yeah. A little 1 pounder. I know, right? Ooh, that's a cool picture. Check it out, guys. Who doesn't like jig fish? Fun right there, guys. All right. I gotta get down there, dude. Yeah, the fluke into the little boils. Little jig fish. Couple jig fish. Boondock Baits, guys. Couple Boondock Baits jigs. Oh yeah, there's a fish. Like I got stuck for a second. There you go. That's a nice one. Ooh, that set the hook right into a freaking stump on that one. Very nice. And it came off. Fish. I'm gonna put the little Trip-Castaic on there. Oh, there we go. There we go. Right. right at the lower lake. Can't talk. Little shore session. An hour before it's dark.
Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're just hitting the lower lake, and we're just gonna go shore fishing. We're gonna try and catch some bass because it's Evan's birthday over there. It's his birthday.
Coming up in a few days.
Yeah, a few days. So we're gonna try and catch a good bass, because if you guys don't remember, on his last birthday, when he turned 7, he caught a huge fish. So we're gonna see if he can catch another fish on his birthday.
Yeah,
this year.
6-pounder.
Maybe it can become a tradition, you know?
Little Boondock Baits jig here. How sweet is that? It just grows. The sun gets down that low and it starts to grow. There's what? Oh, I got one. That's a good one. Hammered it. Yeah, horrible. All right, guys, no skunk. Look at the little fatty.
Yeah.
Look at the little fatty goon fish.
Him, okay? Like, I'm gonna go in the grass with him. Can I release him? Yeah, you can release him, but I want to hold him for like 2 or 3 seconds.
Everyone's rods are out of the water, right?
Yep.
Look at that little fat goon bass, guys. Look at that fat goon bass. Hammered it. There you go. Hold on tight.
It's a pretty dog bass.
Yeah.
I got him. In case come by. There's those water on him. Come on.
Wait, I can't see. Okay, there we go.
Give him
Nice.
water. Give him milk. Come on.
Just drop him in there. Drop him in there. Just hold him under the water. Hold him under the water. There you go. He's gonna go away fast.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good jump. High five. You guys keep fishing, you'll get bit too.
Look at that bull spider.